Welcome back to Feature Friday. This Feature Friday is going to be just a little bit different. We wanted to take a moment to celebrate Mother's Day. So I asked some of our team members to share a few things about their moms and what make them special to them.
I'm Ian, and one thing my mom taught me was how to do the dishes. And the thing I appreciate about her is she's always there to help me if I need anything.
Hi, I'm Matt from Henderson's lineup. Reflecting on my mother on Mother's Day. So my mother's one of 9 children, and at least half of them are deaf, so they can't hear a thing. She's a very strong woman, and I think a lot of my mother. She was awesome. She's a great cook and great personality, and was a really good fit for my dad. So we grew up with, a good family presence. So thank you, Mom. Love you.
My name is McKayla, and one thing my mom taught me was how to be a hard worker. Growing up, my mom was a single mom, and she really took care of us and made sure we had things we needed and wanted. And I really appreciate that about her. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. I love you.
Hi, I'm Jordan. My mom is Carly. She's taught me quite a bit growing up, but the main thing that she really taught me was be yourself. Don't change yourself for others. Do what you want to do in life, and the true friends, everybody who really likes you for you, they'll stick around. I really appreciated that growing up. She was always there, never really pushed me away. She was always the type of mom to play catch with you, or really just do things that most moms wouldn't really do, considering I didn't really have a dad growing up. My mom was and is still my rock star.
Hi, my name is Jesse. I'm one of the service advisors here at Henderson's lineup. Today I'd like to talk about how I'm grateful for my mother's compassion. She showed me how to be compassionate with other people and show empathy. Not everybody's going through the same things in life, and we have to keep that in mind. As well as when you bring your coach in, you might be struggling with issues, and we need to be open-minded to what you're experiencing. Not everybody sees things the same, and compassion and understanding go a long way, and I'd like to thank my mother for teaching me that.
Hi, my name's Donovan. I'm going to talk about my grandma today. One thing that she taught me is that your word is your bond. You don't have anything if you don't have your word, so I really appreciate that about her. I also appreciate how hard she worked for us. She worked her butt off, making sure that we had everything we could and anything we wanted. She put me through all the sports I wanted to play, so I really appreciate that. And it's a shout out to all the moms and mom figures out there. We hope you have a great Mother's Day.
It's pretty clear how much an impact moms have on our lives and who we become. From everyone here at Henderson's lineup and SuperSteer, we want to wish all the moms and mom figures out there a wonderful Mother's Day. Thank you for tuning in with us this special Feature Friday. I can't wait to see you next Feature Friday. And until next time, we wish you safer and happier driving.